We're going to spend a few minutes talking about active votes and active expressions and how you can use them in your classroom. As you can see, I have a picture of both here. For those who haven't used them, the active votes are going to give you some basic opportunities. For example, students can answer multiple choice type questions. The expressions do have a texting capability, and they can also allow for students to give numeric input, so they have a bit of a broader range. So some types of questions you can ask. Here is just your standard run-of-the-mill multiple choice that'll work on either device. We have a special type of question here where we're asking which two answers could be in the middle number. So you've got your choices here, and the kids, if they're using active expressions, can select two of these answers and send them in. So it makes it a little bit more complex for them. Here's another case of multiple choice. In this case, 3 things you liked about the presentation. Again, the expressions will allow you to put up to 3 answers in and send it to the teacher. Another example. Again, this is just for the active expressions. Here we have a yes-no question, and you can kind of do this on either one because the votes do have the true, false, yes, no as well. So you can ask a question like, is it wrong for lawyers to defend people they know are guilty? Give your vote, yes, no, and this is a nice springboard to, start you off on your lesson, kind of a discussion before you get going. All right, have your students understood? This is limited to the expressions. You can have them sort something in order, so they could give you the life cycle of a frog just by typing in the letters in the correct order. They do have Likert scales on the expressions as well, so you can check for understanding quickly. Same thing here, another Likert scale if you wanted to cover something in greater depth. This is kind of a nice anonymous way to do that. Likert scale could start a debate. Here I have Macbeth is a good man. Strongly agree, strongly disagree, and then we discuss from there. Creativity. Students can text in written answers. So here I have ideas for the setting of a story. Students can text in where they would like it to be, and I can show all of their text responses on the screen. And here I have a timeline and just another option, what you can do. Another one for text, students can, all kinds of different ideas. Here I have a sound, they're typing in an instrument they can hear, can use a stopwatch for an experiment. They all put in their results and send it to you, and that way you have all the results on the board, that kind of thing. You can use it with other programs. So if I had something that I wanted the kids to vote on, I can launch the active expression and use the express poll. So this little guy right here, the desktop tools, if I click on that and I have it right here, here's my express poll. So I can click, and on the fly I can write on this board A, B, C, D, click the button, and then they can vote. Okay, a couple other things I want to mention to you. If questions are already pre-set up, which I'm going to show you in a minute, this green button will be lit right here to let you know the question is set up. If you don't have a question set up, you click on the express poll, and if you're connected to a device, a little menu here will come up and show you how to vote. Alright, to create a question, I'm going to go to Insert Questions. Going to pop up a window here for me, and I can type in a question right here. Remember, the type of question you ask is going to depend on the type of device you have. So I could do a multiple choice for anything. If I choose a text or something like that, you want to make sure you have the expressions. I'm going to leave it just as a multiple choice. I'm going to type in my options over here. And I'll just do a couple for the, let's see. Alright, and I'm going to get rid of these other choices. I don't want them. And then I'm going to select which one is the correct answer. And I only need one answer for this one. Alright, so I'm going to click down here, and I'm going to select this button right here, and I'm going to select, I've got all these different backgrounds to choose from. I'm just going to pick kind of a plain one here and click apply, and then click done, and you'll see I have my question here. If I want to edit my question, I can go to edit, question on current page. It'll take me back and I can edit it. When I'm done with this and I'm ready to go to the next question, I'm going to click this arrow up here. I'm going to go to the next page and I'm going to type in a new question.